Welcome back to Shib Kai, everyone. Holy ship. When you see what happened to Shiba Inu coin, you'll be astonished. Since its launch, the meme coin Shib has continued to be a desirable investment for cryptocurrency traders all over the world. In the cryptocurrency industry, Shinu is nearly as well known as dogecoin and has practical applications as a payment method and for certain daily transactions. Customers interested in online VR gaming, NFT minting and trading, and digital land purchase, among other things, will gain from Shu's foray into the metaverse market. Shiba Inu holders can engage in staking, lending, and passive income generation because to the innovative Shiba Inu incentive structure. We shall discuss Holy Shib in this video. When you see what happened to Shiba Inu coin, you'll be astonished. To view our most recent content, remember to give it a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get the video started right now. The enigmatic founder of Shiba Inu, Roshi, started the company in 2020 but seems to have given up on it a few months ago. Shiba, the second most significant meme coin on the market, has advanced significantly in terms of adoption and confidence as a digital tool over the past several months. It currently ranks 14th among the most capitalized cryptocurrencies, behind Dogecoin. For instance, AMC, the biggest theater and movie theater chain in the U.S., chose to accept this coin as payment in its establishments. In a similar vein, the biggest trading software in the U.S., Robinhood, chose to add it to its list of exchangeable coins in April. According to analysts, Shib is near important support, which if broken might trigger a new negative phase, suggesting that the market is going through a pretty difficult moment. However, it has seen a 121% increase in trading volume over the last 7 days, despite the announcement of its impending inclusion in the significant BitMax exchange and the introduction of the virtual card game Shiba Eternity that is directly linked to its token. This is a concrete indication that a significant move in either direction is clearly imminent. Many observers believe that Shib added more than 100,000 additional holdings today. Compared to a week ago, 2,233,375 individuals currently own this well-known cryptocurrency. That number rose by about 10,000 with the debut of the much-awaited Shiba Eternity trading card game. On the day of the game's launch, 2,220 new users joined the Shiba token. On October 12th, Elon Musk announced the release of a branded perfume made by one of his firms, as *U Today* previously reported. Strangely, the Boring Company's goal was to build underground tunnels to alleviate urban gridlock. The fragrance, Burnt Hair, costs $14 per bottle. The first day of the debut saw the sale of 10,000 bottles, totaling $1 million. Doge is accepted as payment, Musk declared in a tweet. However, Shiba Inu, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a number of other cryptocurrencies can also be paid with BitPay, a payment processor. Musk tweeted 20,000, which some took to be a report of higher burnt hair sales, the next day. This had no effect on the price of Dogecoin. One of the Doge development team members even mentioned that he had a hard time paying for the perfume in the meme room, claiming that the entire process was quite difficult and that he never mentioned whether he was successful in the end. The Shiba Inu team recently said that it had taken over the Shib Flaming Burn portal. Since the team is counting on widespread token burning to drive Shib values higher, a new burn mechanism, akin to the Sharian protocol, will be made available to users. Shibburn.com disclosed on October 13th that in a single day, 20 billion Shib tokens had been destroyed, increasing the total to 410.38 billion. Given that there are nearly 1 quadrillion Shiba Inus in the world, there is still a lot of work to be done in this area. There are over 589 trillion of it in circulation. As the project keeps adding new features, the Shiba Inu coin is seeing a notable level of network activity. The price of the coin has fluctuated greatly in 2022, dropping from a peak of 0.00003 in February to its current value of 0.09 as of October 13. At almost $5.8 billion in fully diluted market capitalization, the token is still among the top 15. Although investors may be concerned about the future due to the price decline, analysts point to a number of variables that suggest SHIB may have a bright future. These elements include the advancements made by the Shiba Inu project, which will greatly enhance the ecosystem's functionality and services. With all of the features that are anticipated to be released in the upcoming months, SHIB may have a successful 2023. With the recent introduction of the Shiba Eternity card game, which shot to the top of the App Store rankings, it has already made strides in this direction. The game is free to play and was created in collaboration with Playside Studios. Shinu's ability to innovate and add new features has been valued by the cryptocurrency community, which has distinguished it from other meme coins. In addition to Shiba Eternity, the group is developing Sharium, a Layer 2 solution. There is no set release date for this, though some people have demanded that the public beta have at least a date. It seems that the team will only make an announcement when they are prepared, even if Sharium was originally planned to launch in the third quarter of 2022 or perhaps a bit later. Since Shiba Inu has other ERC20 tokens, the Layer 2 solution will aid in lowering gas expenses, which have been a problem. According to the developers, Sharium would cut transaction times to seconds and transaction costs to cents. Although it is challenging to predict prices in the cryptocurrency market, Shiba Inu's advancements could provide information on the direction of the coin. The token's price is currently 0.000009, which is almost 89% lower than its peak of 0.000086. It is important to note, nevertheless, that SHIB has experienced an incredible 17,245,847% increase from its lowest point. Investors are expecting a robust run. Investors will be more expecting of a range of 0.045 to 0.05 next year, and reaching 2022 highs of 0.00003 is at least highly possible. The cryptocurrency market is erratic, and meme coins are particularly volatile. It's possible that SHIB will expand even more when the market becomes dominated by hype. It is impossible to expect an even greater increase to $1, as some analysts have suggested. SHIB's entire market value would be $549 billion if it were valued at $1. That represents over half of the current market capitalization of the cryptocurrency market. In contrast, the market capitalization of Bitcoin is currently just $364 billion. Rich Dad, Poor Dad Once More, author Robert Kiyosaki has foreseen a catastrophic collapse of the U.S. economy and dollar. He said that millions could be wiped off in a recent tweet. According to Kiyosaki, individuals mainly think about microeconomic factors like rising food and gasoline prices. They are blind to macroeconomic problems. The best-selling author then advised his fans to safeguard themselves against macroeconomic problems by purchasing gold and silver in addition to Bitcoin this time. With good reason, Kiyosaki has been forecasting the USD's impending collapse for the past 2 years. The U.S. central bank has raised interest rates multiple times this year, and in 2020 alone, it printed over $6 trillion. One of the most well-known cryptocurrency exchanges, BitMax, has formally announced that 6 new cryptocurrencies would soon be listed. The popular meme token Shiba Inu is one of these soon-to-be listed coins. Users will be able to convert, deposit, and withdraw SHIB to their exchange accounts through the listing. One of the only significant cryptocurrency exchanges that had not yet unveiled a rival to Dogecoin was BitMax. SHIB's price appears to have been unaffected by the listing news, though, as the dog meme coin is currently trading at 0.134, down 5.04% in the last day. That concludes today. To view our most recent content, remember to give it a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.